Hey guys, we're excited to announce the latest release of the Great Wall Cannon lift kit by Formula 4x4. This lift kit is designed and engineered to lift the Great Wall Cannon approximately 50 mils and provide increased comfort, handling and control both on and off-road. Formula 4x4 is specifically designed, tested and built for Australian conditions. The Great Wall Cannon lift kit contains 2 Formula Ready struts, 2 Formula shock absorbers, 2 Formula leaf springs, Formula U-bolts and 1 Super Pro bushing kit. Everything in this lift kit is included to lift your vehicle to the perfect and legal height. Although it won't be needed, this lift kit comes with a standard 12-month warranty with the ability to upgrade to a 5-year national warranty for free, so you can be sure we have you covered. This Formula 4x4 lift kit for the Great Wall Cannon comes ready assembled, saving you money and time, as well as making installation easier. Included in this kit are Formula 4x4 shocks, which are built from high-grade carbon steel, making them stronger and ready for an off-road thrashing, whilst also providing on-road reliability. Formula 4x4 shocks incorporate a specialized valving system, designed specifically to provide a comfortable off and on-road driving experience. This lift kit is up to 5 times more comfortable than others on the market. Formula 4x4 shocks are built with a 20% larger bore diameter, meaning they will outperform the majority of other shocks on the market. Designed to include advanced seals and pistons, which are proprietary to Formula 4x4, built stronger than other kits for both on and off-road use. You're guaranteed to get longer lasting performance and a competitive edge when it comes to off-road driving. This lift kit includes lifetime warranty backed Super Pro bushings, which offer improved flex and are abrasive, oil, fuel and water resistant, perfect for off-road use. Also included are world-renowned King Coil Springs that are made from X5K high-strength steel, which makes them nearly 30% lighter, reduces the solid height and increases travel. Not to mention, this lift kit also includes high-quality Formula 4x4 leaf springs and U-bolts, giving you the ability to handle the right loads. Behind us we have a customer's Great Wall Cannon, which is getting this lift kit installed. We have opted for the rear to suit no more than 150 kg console load, as it has no rear accessories. Additionally, for the front, we have chosen standard race springs. We have already completed the before ride-height measurements from hub to guard, and the fronts are currently sitting at 515 mils and the rears are sitting at 560 mils. So let's see how much this Formula 4x4 lift kit raises the Great Wall's ride height. So the team in the workshop have just finished fitting the lift kit, and trust me, it looks insane. Let's check out the results. Thanks, Karen. At the front, we were at about 515 mils from hub to guard. Now we are sitting at 583 mils. That's a massive 68 mil increase. The rear was 560 mils from hub to guard and has come up to 602 mils, a huge 42 mil difference. Originally, the Cannon had drastic positive rake, causing the Cannon to have a nose down look. Now with the Formula 4x4 lift kit installed, we have maintained but also minimized the positive rake, improving the Cannon's handling as well as leveling it out. As you can see, the Cannon is sitting nice and level with an approximate lift of 55 mils, meaning we are ready for an off-road adventure. After lifting the Great Wall Cannon, we have found that although the wheel alignment is still within spec, it does require upper control arms to perfectly correct the alignment, so make sure you get some. If you're going to install this lift kit yourself, make sure you get a wheel alignment immediately, otherwise you'll wear out your tires. We have a national network of stores. If you would like, you can get this lift kit installed by us using our online click and fit service. This service includes a full installation, a wheel alignment, a free suspension check, and a 1,000 kilometer service. Now driving on the road, I can immediately feel how this Cannon has improved. It's so much smoother. Unlike most lift kits out there, Formula 4x4 have definitely hit the nail on the head by providing a quality, comfortable suspension solution. And what's better, I'm definitely sitting higher with that increased lift. I can also tell that the on-road performance between the lifted suspension and stock suspension is completely different. It's firmer for direct steering, but comfortable at the same time. Check out the flex on this bad boy, guys. So there you have it, a Formula 4x4 lift kit install and review for the Great Wall Cannon. This lift kit not only improved the handling, the performance, but it also improved the control on and off road. So if you're wanting a Cannon lift kit, head over to our website and grab yours today.